Today we'll be reviewing the proper technique for cleaning 2060 chain beam. Tools will be required are a 5/32 Allen wrench, shop towels or rag, toilet brush with soft bristles, and a fish tape. There are several different types of 2060 conveyors: a standard drive, a conveyor beam with bottom access, and a center drive. The process is similar on all of them. It will just dictate where you break the chain and where you start your fish tape. Start by breaking the conveyor chain by following the procedure outlined in the 2060 chain break procedure. After the chain is free, remove the chain from the top section of conveyor beam and pull out on the idler end. Continue to pull the entire chain from the conveyor. It's best to lay the chain out flat and have it ready to put back in later. Next, remove the idler from the conveyor beam. Loosen the set screws on all the J-strips with a 5/32 inch Allen. Slide the idler off the end of the conveyor. If there's a conveyor adjoined to this one, slide the J-strips out first into the beam and then move the idler straight up or down. Insert the fish tape into the bottom of the conveyor beam. If you're on a center drive, you would start from the center. If you're on a standard drive, you would start from the drive end. Once the fish tape is out, fix a rag to the end of the fish tape. You want to make sure to tape it in place securely and make a point out of the tape so that it will slide freely through the conveyor beam. Another option is to use a soft bristled toilet brush. To do this, cut the brush about where my thumb is and attach it to the fish tape in the same manner. Once the rag or brush is fixed securely in place, pull it tight to the conveyor beam and get it started in the end of the beam. Be sure to fill all gaps with the towel as much as possible. This will ensure that more material gets pulled from the beam as you clean it. Once it's started, pull it through the conveyor beam the entire distance. Clean the top of the beam by running a rag or towel through the entire length of the beam. Be sure to get up in the sides of the beam where the wear strip is, as well as any other sections of the beam. You may need to make several trips to ensure that the beam is thoroughly cleaned. You can also use compressed air to blow down the length of the beam, as well as in the bottom cavity, to ensure that the beam has the most material removed as possible. For more information, feel free to call us anytime at the number listed on the screen, or visit our website at www.tekno.com.